Good day, folks. We're back again. This is a Bradford window air conditioner. Pretty much it's just a rebadged Westinghouse, probably from the 60s, late 60s, early 70s, maybe. Somewhere around there. Hopefully it'll have, if I get my light, Westinghouse made compressor, which that's just lovely. Does it? Yeah, hold on. Usually you can tell by looking in there. I have to look through it in real life to really tell you. Maybe, maybe not. Anyways, hopefully it looks like the Westinghouse made ones are round, short, and fat. But I get to really take it apart together and look at it. So yeah, it's in pretty good shape. Let's get the light on it here. Show you the other side of it. See two vents on the compressor side and one vent on the fan side. And the back is a little beat up, kind of what you expect, but it looks like it's. Look, check the corners. Autofocus. Come on, you can do it. They don't look too bad. I definitely have and have seen a lot worse. Probably not as good as condition as the Kilvinator I got down in Philadelphia, but still pretty decent. Also, it's cold and windy. In fact, on the way up, which is a 2-hour drive roughly, so I did not take the turnpike. It's pretty windy and snow squalls, and that made the drive interesting. But anyways, I don't think it's gonna kick. Well, it's really hard to tell. I don't think it does. Yeah, either way. Yeah, so when it gets warmer, we will have fire-ups of 30 units. I got, which I should really post that video. I got like a 1970s GE fashioned air. I got the Kilvinator, which you saw. Both of those are actually 10,000 BTUs per hour. And this one, before I end it, let us check. Oh, there's the tag. I don't know what you can see in there. Can you see much of anything? And it says it's 700 watts, and it's okay. I can look through the camera. Let's pull the grill off. First time doing it. Hopefully it comes off. Good. A little dirty, but that's fine. Only one problem with it. Plug is in good shape, but is unfortunately missing the ground pin. So I need a new plug, but other than that. Alright. Let me see, is that 8,000? Hold on. It looks like 1720 watts. I like it 17. Oh, that's 6. That's 6 or 8. I'll let you guys get a good view of it. So whatever you can make out of that, I'm seeing. I don't know. I'm gonna leave that up to you guys to tell. When I get a better look off, I can tell you then. It's got a paddle blade fan in it. Let's see if that's metal or not. Yep, that's metal blade. Nice. Anyways, it's cold, it's windy, snow's mostly gone, but I have to give it like a couple more months hopefully until it really gets warm and get some good fire-ups. So anyways,